Welcome back to Ink Spots. On January 12th, we highlighted Kraken Robotics in the Morning Ink Report. It emerged as the top-performing morning report stock of 2024, advancing 293% into year-end. Kraken provides imaging sensors, batteries, and subsea robots to deliver high-resolution data and endurance solutions for the defense and offshore energy industries. While the stock is not cheap by traditional valuation measures, Kraken has been growing its bottom line. In the first 9 months of 2024, net income was $6.4 million, up 117% from the same period a year ago. Meanwhile, insider commitment at the firm remains high with above-median insider holdings. As geopolitical tensions remain structurally elevated, a rising tide of defense spending might continue to work in Kraken's favor. Thanks for watching Ink Spots. This video is presented for educational purposes and is not investment advice. Our disclaimer is also available on our website. Get access to the Morning Ink Report through our premium service at inkresearch.com or by being a member of the Canadian Insider Ultra Club at canadianinsider.com. In the meantime, I'll look forward to seeing you for our next Ink Spots video.